This conference is a usual conference of employees and officers jointly conducting here today. Tripura Gramin Bank Officers and Employees Association. Normally, the regional rural banks were established by the Government of India in the year 1975 with the objective to spread the banking facilities in rural areas. And 196 RRBs were established across the country. And after a policy of amalgamation, now 43 RRBs are working in all states and 3 union territories also. And RRBs has done a very good job in giving the coverage to the maximum population of rural part of our country, mostly small and marginal farmers, landless laborers. But the role of the Government of India and sponsor bank and NABARD for the development of RRB is not so satisfactory. RRB peoples are very much exploited from the policies of the Government of India, from the policies of sponsor banks, and even RRB chairmen are also exploiting the RRB people. In case of Tripura Gramin Bank, there are more than 200 temporary workers who are engaged on the back-end post since 7 to 10 years, and they have been deprived from the various labor laws benefits. They have been deprived. They are forced to work in temporary nature for a long time. They are not receiving the minimum wages which is prescribed by the Government of India for the such type of work for the regular people. So this is the such type of exploitation is going on. RRBs, including the Tripura Gramin Bank, across the entire the RRB of the country, they are facing acute manpower shortage, because the parameter of manpower was fixed and decided by the Government of India. That is called as Mitra Committee norms. RRBs are not having the manpower as per Mitra Committee norms. So our services are brutally affecting. We are not so. We are expecting so many things from government, but it is not extending in RRB. This is the situation in RRB. At such type of situation, we are going to organize our general this conference.